do we solve this question? You are welcome back to Math with Miss Baker, and in this video we will be solving this interesting question. So now you can either turn all the division to multiplication or you divide straight up. So let's start by saying 8 divided by 2. We have only division sign there, so we can just take it anyhow. So 8 divided by 4 will give 2. Then we have 2 divided by 2. Then over 2 divided by 4 would give 1 over 2. Then we have 1 over 2 divided by 8. Now for the numerator, we have 2 divided by 2, and that will be 1 over, now we have 1 over 2 divided by, let's turn this division into multiplication to make it easier to solve, so that we'll be having times divided by 8 will be the same thing as times 1 over 8. So that means we'll be having 1 over 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 8 is 16. So now this is the same thing as having 1 divided by 1 over 16. Now let's turn the division into multiplication, so that we'll be having 1 times 16 over 1, and that will be equal to 16. So the answer to this question will be 16. Just take it one step at a time so that you will not make a mistake. See you in the next video.